Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, hi, I'm Mel. Welcome to my channel. So first things first, happy new year. This is the first video I've been posting on my channel this year, but also it's February, and if you're like me, your new year started in February, let me know. I cannot be the only one. January was rough, but no fair, the new year is here. But jokes aside, this is gonna be my relaxer update video. I did go ahead and get a relaxer on the 20th of January, I believe. So I'm about 2.5 weeks post at this point. My last relaxer was in September. I believe it was the end of September, like the 30th or something, somewhere around there. So that was a 6-month stretch. I told you guys I will not be doing that ever again. So I kept my word, and this time around I only stretched for 3.5 months. Now typically I like to do 4-month stretches, but it was just shy of 4 months, so it wasn't that bad. I just felt like I was ready to get a relaxer done, a touch-up done, so I went ahead and I did that. So I did go ahead and go back to the same stylist I had found last relaxer. So yeah, she did a great job, so I decided to go back to her. So just a run through of what she did. She lightly detangled my hair. I like to detangle my hair before going into the salon, but she did go ahead and lightly run the comb through just to get any knots out that may have formed between my last wash day and the salon visit. And then she went ahead and she based my scalp, which is always nice, of course. And then she sectioned my hair off and applied the relaxer to my new growth. Now, according to her, and this was shocking to me, but she said I had about close to 3 inches of new growth, which was crazy to me because it's been like 3.5 months, right? So I did have quite a bit of new growth. I'll try to see if I can find a picture. I don't know if I took any pictures of it. I did have quite a bit of new growth, which is why I decided to go ahead and relax a little earlier than usual. But when she said 3 inches, I was like, oh, it's absolutely crazy. But anyway, she relaxed my new growth, and then as soon as she was done applying the relaxer throughout my head, she took me to the sink to rinse out. She neutralized my hair about 3 times, and on the last time she had the neutralizing shampoo sit in my hair for a couple minutes, and then she went ahead and then she conditioned my hair. I didn't do a deep conditioner this time just because I felt like it wasn't necessary, and I know that I have my stuff at home that I want to use in my hair. But yeah, she went ahead and she blow dried my hair, and then she flat ironed it. She also oiled my scalp, which was nice, but my hair, the length of my hair got oily fast, so I had to deal with oily hair for 2 weeks because I was unable to wash my hair the following week after getting my relaxer done. Because of family obligations. I lost my train of thought there. Anyway, I believe I also mentioned in my last relaxer update that I wanted to maintain this length for a while, so I went ahead and I got a trim as well, and I told her that, hey, I wanted to just maintain the length that I'm at, so if that means taking off a little bit more than a trim, then that's fine. So she went ahead and did that. But enough blabbing. I'm sure you guys are only here to see my hair. I don't even know if people watch relaxer updates anymore, but I've been asked to do one, so here it is. So this is what my hair looks like. It's a little way down because I did moisturize and seal my hair. I know it's a little crazy with the rice bran oil, but this is what my hair looks like. Nice blunt ends here. As I said, she did go ahead and give me a trim. Looking at it now, it's actually a little longer than it was last time, but it's fine. I still like this length. So yeah, I'll go ahead and insert a clip of what my hair looks like from behind in case you guys want to know. I'm not sure where my hair hits now. I think it's below armpit length, but a little above bra strap length. And if you guys have been watching me for a very long time, you know I used to struggle with breakage in the middle of my hair. So it would be from the crown of my head, but of course when my hair is down, you'd see it in the middle of my hair. That was eliminated before my last relaxer. I forgot to update you guys on that. I don't know what I did differently. I know a lot of you guys have messaged me about that. I honestly don't know what I did differently to get rid of it, but it hasn't come back. I know I've been doing a lot more scalp massages lately, so I don't know if that has to do with it, or like switching up the position of my hair. I don't know, guys, but hopefully it stays away, because it did take a long time and a lot of trimming to get rid of that area. So yeah, just an update on that. All in all, I am loving my hair. I don't have anything else to say really. I've just been doing what I've always been doing. I've been keeping up with my weekly deep conditioners, shampooing every week. I pre-poo sometimes. I do my protein treatments as needed. I blow dry as needed. Usually I air dry though. I hardly flat iron my hair out of laziness. You guys know I have nothing against heat, but I'm lazy, so I hardly straighten my hair. But I also have been keeping up with my rice water. I might have an update for you guys if you're interested. I have been using Olaplex as well, and I've been using my silk pillowcase and my silk bonnet. And yeah, that's basically it. If there's anything I forgot to mention, just ask me down below in the comment section. I feel like I always forget to mention something in a video, but anything I forget to mention, if you have any questions, just leave them down below for me. I'll be sure to get back to you. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great week, a great year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I do have a few videos that were previously recorded from months ago, so you might see those before you see this one. I don't know, probably you see this one before you see those, but don't be alarmed if I look different in those videos, or if I don't have braces, which if you guys haven't noticed, that's why I sound weird. I have braces now. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.